is up, you guys?
What's
It
up,
is
y'all?
Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to
Any great
subscribe to our channel,
comments?
like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
I've had this for a while, actually. I bought it with the intentions of doing something with it, and I haven't done anything with it. So we're gonna do something with it today, y'all. What I did was I did put some green foam in there. Maybe y'all can see it. I did put some green foam in this, and then I covered it up with moss. So all I'm doing is I'm just gonna bring in this greenery, and I want to just stick them kind of in a row. I don't normally like to do that, but I just want to bring in this little touch of green because we're still going to add in some florals. Next, I want to add in some of our daisies. So I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to kind of find my I want these daisies. Okay, so I kind of just stuck those daisies in like that. Next, I'm going to add in these. So I want to come in with these pink flowers. No, I'm going to still use these pieces as well. I'm going to come in the front. I'm just going to go in. So yeah, I'm still using these little pieces right here. Like, I don't throw these away. Yeah, look how pretty that looks so far. So I am going to use some 60919 in yellow and pink. So I put some glue. Now, just going to come in and just okay. So adding this in. Coming in with this pink. When I saw pink and the yellow, it made me think of pink lemonade. So curling up those wires. Okay. So I'm going to move some of these florals. So I'm going to flip this over to face me because I do want a spot for a nice little bow. But y'all, look how cute that looks. I'm telling you, I love this right here. I love how these move. Hmm. Tiny. We are going to add a bow right here in the middle. I'm actually thinking of adding another daisy. Just because I feel like there's like a misbalance right here. And now I want to add in this ribbon. So we're going to just make a tail, pinch. I'm going to do probably just 4 loops. Just because I don't want this um, little bow to really overpower everything. And I just kind of want it tucked in there. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this little bow right in here. That's exactly where I want that. Yeah, look how cute that looks.